Hey there guys, let's do a quick walkthrough of setting up your onboarding page and review what it looks like from the client side. First, we're going to go into settings and then go to onboarding. You can click on any block to edit the contents within. The first block is the heading on your onboarding page. The second block allows you to have a welcome message as well as a video that is embedded into the portal. By default, we have a quick guide video on how the portal can be used from the client perspective. Up next, you can set up a checklist for your clients by clicking on here and then editing the tasks. You can add in as many tasks as you want and remove or edit existing tasks. Each task can have a title, description, link, and a call to action button. Let's add in an example task. Alright, once we've filled out the task information, we can click on Save Changes and that takes us back to the original editor. On here, you can see the new task that we added, and this one does not have a button, so it would act like a regular checklist item. Scrolling down, you can see a few more blocks here that you can edit. These four have a heading, body, and an icon that you can edit, while these ones have a heading, body, and a link that you can hypertext. Let's log into the client side to see what this page looks like from the client perspective. Now that we're logged in as a client, let's head into the onboarding page from the sidebar. This is what the onboarding page looks like from the client perspective, where you can see everything that we just set up. If you'd like to edit the onboarding page further than what we have by default, you can do so through template editing. To do this, let's navigate back to the admin side first. Now that we're back on the admin side, let's go into settings, templates, clients, and then onboarding.twig. Here, you'll see all the code that shows the blocks that we edited earlier. You can completely override those blocks and create your own onboarding page if you prefer. One last tip is if you'd like to make the onboarding page the default page that the client lands on whenever they log in rather than the main dashboard, you can do this by going to settings, onboarding, and then checking the checkbox at the bottom of this page and saving. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to answer them as always.